Once there was an old farmer. He had 3 sons. They always quarreled one another. One day he fell ill. He called his sons. He gave them a bundle of sticks. He asked them to break it. They tried it one by one but failed. Then he untied the bundle and asked them to break the sticks one by one. His sons broke the sticks easily. At this, the old farmer said, "My sons, if you will be united like the bundle of sticks, nobody could harm you." After this, they never quarreled. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.